just now getting around to editing because I moved and had to reset up all my desk shit. But it's a pretty decent video. I think it's over 13 minutes. So we're catching fish actually. One of the clips towards the end, one of the last clips of actually catching fish, was when it was dark and the GoPro can't see at night, doesn't have night vision. So it looks a little wonky. That's because I messed around with some coloring and contrast and shit so that you guys can still see it, because it had a decent sized cat in it. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh my lord!
Go down there. Take that net with you. It's a drum! No, it's a drum. It's a big drum. Look at it. Oh, fucking Christ, mate. Can you net it?
Yeah. Holy shit.
That's a big bitch.
Holy mother.
That's a big ass bitch.
That's a big motherfucker.
What are you gonna do?
Well, we're not keeping the drum, are we?
You want to keep one and see what they taste like? My uncle said they taste like white bass.
Really?
Yeah, just bring it up. We'll put it in the basket and put it on a stringer.
Okay.
I'll just keep letting line out so you can get all the way up here. The fuckers. Gnarly. It's all on GoPro. Oh shit. Okay. That's fucking gnarly. I'm glad I decided to put the GoPro back on when I did. Dude, is that real? Not the smoothest thing you've ever felt?
No, dude, that reel is nice. What kind of reel is that?
Shimano.
God damn! How much do you think it weighs?
I don't know. I mean, I could have tried to pull it up.
I wouldn't have.
I don't want to lose that rig. I have a feeling it would have snapped.
You think the rod would have snapped?
No, the fucking line.
Will the rod snap, or do they have a lot of give?
They will snap.
They will?
Yeah.
You think it would have snapped on this, though?
Possible.
Shit!
Reeling it all the way up there.
Yeah, we would have had to hand line a little bit. Dude! My
Try not to
God!
move too much. Grab that basket. Get the basket. Set this on the ground. I got it.
My lord!
Okay. Hold the net.
You think it's gonna be able to get in there?
I don't know. Maybe not.
God damn! Big boy!
Oh yeah. Okay. Hold this so I can get that line tied on.
You don't think it's gonna die, do you?
Well, not if I get it in the water.
Yeah, let's get it in the water.
Tie a couple overhand knots.
You double knotting that bitch?
I'm gonna fucking put a bunch on it. I don't want to lose my basket. I give two shits less about that fish.
True.
Okay. Hey, let's take the stringer off. Just so we don't have that also to work with our fucking...
What the fuck?
Okay, take that. Hang on. Cat or drum?
What?
Cat or drum?
I don't fucking know.
Okay, let's grab the net. Oh shit.
What?
I'm working it in over there.
Is it big?
I don't know, but it's fucking pulling pretty good. It's a cat.
Decent one?
Yeah. Channel. Looks like. He's still got a decent amount of fight in him.
Maybe this way.
Okay. I'm gonna net it. Oh shit, we don't have pliers over here. So I'm gonna have you net it, but I was just gonna have you drop it in.
Ooh, that is a good one.
Goated. You know, we should have brought a rod holder so that every time we did this, we just fucking left the other rod in.
True.
But I don't really trust just leaving it chilling.
Yeah.
Not after the whole bridge incident. How deep in is that hook? Yes, you just have a jig head on, don't you?
It's really not too deep.
Can we just knock it out here?
Probably.
Okay, try and knock it out, and we'll just drop it in this basket. You knock it out, and I'll pull up the basket. Oh, he's decent. Here, hold this rod, or I can just leave the rod sitting.
There's a fucking sharkweed fish.
I'll leave the rod chilling. Either go grab the pliers or just pull the hook out.
I'm gonna see if I can just get the hook out.
I forgot the pliers over there. I'll pull up this basket.
Oh,
Mister.
yeah. Hook's out.
Okay, grab him.
That wasn't hard.
You know how to.
Lucky it stayed in as easy as it came out.
That's why I didn't want to try and horse it.
Yeah, if you would have tried that.
You know how to grab him?
To do it in the gills.
Yeah. That or just go right in front of his spine and behind the dorsal, the fins.
It's kind of too big for that.
Grab him in the gills. Just don't let him slip off. I'll just shove his ass in there.
Yes, sir.
I think it's a cat. Yeah, it's a cat. Yep. That or it's either a cat or an eye, but it looks more like a cat.
Pretty good one.
Fuck yeah.
That's a really good one.
That's what we came here to do. Catch some fucking donkeys. Should have just left yours in the water.
Huh?
Should have left yours in the water.
What do you left my what?
Your hook in. And just had.
That thing getting fucked.
Well, if you would have left it alongside my bag.
You're a pretty decent one.
Fuck yeah, I forgot to grab the pliers again. We're gonna need the fucking pliers. Ah, fuck. You gotta run and grab those pliers. Yep. I'm gonna run and see if I have any bug spray after I take it off.
Huh?
I'm gonna go see if I have any bug spray after I take it off.
Pick up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, hold this rod. Where's the line at? There it is.
That's a decent.
Got a hold of his whisker. It's to the top and the bottom.
Oh shit. Damn.
Bitch. Well, she's hooked good. Alright. I might grab my gloves out of my truck while I'm down there.
This some bitch is getting heavy.
That was the goal. About to pull the jack.
Look at these. Damn, that's a good one. There we go.
Holy shit, it's getting heavy. All right, so got our big drum. He's about probably 2 hands, a little bit longer. A couple of good cats, and the little drum is still probably about 2 hands, just not as fucking girthy as Big Bertha right here. Hey there, bud. I just gave you a little pat. Chill out. But we only caught a couple more after we quit recording, after probably or right before we caught the little drum and the little cat. But we got the big drum and the 2 bigger cats on video. But the GoPro doesn't see at night, so we quit recording. But it was a decent haul. So it's like, I don't know, 10:30. We fished for like 2 hours. Not too bad.